Uh-huh. That's it.
Hi, it's Alaska Granny. Do I have a beauty to share with you today? This is a Colt 1873 single action army. It's a 32-20 caliber peacemaker. And I have the paperwork on this that shows that this gun was actually made in August of 1908. It's a first generation, it's a beautiful gun, and it has some unusual features. One of the things it has right here is if you push this button, you can take so the cylinder can come completely off. It has real ivory handles, and you can tell real ivory if you look carefully. It'll have the check marks in here and the beautiful caramel rich staining in here. So I believe they were elephant ivory on these guns. And this one is a beauty to shoot. I'm taking it out. I'm going out and shoot this one tomorrow. So I got it out to really look it over and get set. When I purchased this gun, I checked it out with my Kasoi to make sure that all of the numbers match, all of the screws and everything are correct. And this one has a special feature. It has a button right here that you can push and release this and take out the cylinder. And that's unusual for some of these. Anyway, so it's a typical Colt, spells its name C-O-L-T. Check for 4 clicks. I was looking at one at a gun show and only had 3 clicks, and I said to the guy, there's something wrong with the action, it only has 3 clicks. He said, honey, they don't put that on the 22s. And I thought, well, okay, you can keep your gun. I figured there was something wrong with it. So always check for something like that. There might be something wrong, and then you don't want to purchase a gun that isn't going to work correctly. You want one that's smooth and done nicely, and you always want to make sure you check everything about it before you buy a firearm. So this one is a typical, you push open this, put it at half cock, spins around for you to load it. This one takes 32-20. I'm very excited to take it out tomorrow and shoot it, and I'm looking forward to it. It has a very nice action, and it's very simple for me to use. I love revolvers and I love Colts, and I'm especially pleased to have this one. So look for Colts, look for the 1873. Well, if that's what pleases you. Leave a comment on how you enjoy my gun review, and I want you to subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel. Have a wonderful day.